Hey you guys, it's Linda. Today I'm here with BeautyBay and I'm gonna show you how you can create this really nice and graphic eye look with my new products. So let's start. So the first product I'm going to use is the Guilty Mood Crayon. And this is a teal colored crayon that is super creamy, and I am gonna create kind of a cut crease. And then I'm gonna fill it in the whole eye with the same crayon. So I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer from the RCMA palette. Okay, so I'm going to match one of the colors and I'm using brush 305 to clean it up. So I'm using this brush because it's pretty thin and stiff, so it's easy to clean up the lines. So next product that I am going to use is the Enchanted Mysteries palette. And the shade that I'm going to use is Lacuna. That is duochrome, green, black, pinkish, brownish. It's a lot of colors inside. So I'm taking a smaller brush 301. I'm going to cover all of this blue with this shade. So I'm going to continue with Void from the same palette. That is a gunmetal blackish shade. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye, but with other colors. So I'm going to use Altair Flash. So this is such a gorgeous, like orange coppery shade. Now I'm using Guilty again, because I still want to have the gunmetal black on the outside. So I still want to keep the same base color for this. And it's not blended here on the middle, but it doesn't really matter because we're going to put some eyeshadow on top of it, so it's going to blend out nicely when you do. And on top of this, I'll be using Aura. And Aura is a gold, like a dirty gold shade. In the middle, I am using Lacuna again, because I think I will be using 3 colors on this eyelid. So both gold, green, and then gunmetal. To finish off this eyelid, I am using Void again. And then if you feel like you need to, you can always clean up the lines afterwards with concealer or foundation. So this is the part that I don't really know what I'm gonna do about, but I think either or. I think I'm gonna continue with Altair under my eye, and I will follow the shape of the eyeliner I already did. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I think I will go in with Delighted Mood under my left eye. This is a pink lip pencil, but I like to use it on my eyes as well. Now I'm gonna stick with it. Because sometimes it turns out better if you don't really like it from the start. But then when you mix everything together, things will turn out great. I'm using Altair again, and I'm actually going under the whole eye with this. And under the other eye, I'm going in with Delighted Mood again, right in the little gap here. These products are actually very, very good for the creative process. Like, because I wasn't sure about this pink before, and now I kind of like it, and I continued with the orange. So you can really blend, you can mix, you can play, and that's what I love about the products, and that is my goal with the whole brand actually. It's to create, it's to inspire, it's to just show people that you can do so much more with the products than just use them as eyeshadows and eye pencils. The last step is to use the last color in the palette, and it is, you can say serene, you can say serein because it's a French word, but it's this really nice duochrome bluish white shade that I am dabbing on top of one of my eyelids to make it a little bit more interesting. So my eyes are done, and I am going to continue with lips. And because this look is quite bold, I'm going to use Fantastic Lipstick in Extra. And it's sheer transparent with a little bit of pink and champagne glitters inside. I'm gonna finish up with some highlight and some blush from the Infinity palette. So I'm using Virgo for highlight. I already have a little bit of highlight, but now I have more highlight. And then some blush. I'm going with Andromeda. To finish off everything, I am using H2 Glow Face Mist, and always shake it first to mix the two components. And you only need like 2-3 sprays of this, otherwise you will look like a glazed donut, because this really gives you some glow to the face. And look at the cloud. It's so fine, so it doesn't attack your face. And that's it, guys. I'm done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you want to shop any of the products, they are all linked down below. And don't forget to subscribe to BeautyBay's channel and to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you again soon.